How to create subdomain for your domain on Namecheap. So before we start, if you are willing to purchase any domain name from Namecheap, you can use the first link in the description below. So first of all, head over to the hosting list on your left hand side. Once you are in, you just need to go for manage your domain. Make sure to select the right one that you want to go with. Once you are in, you just need to copy the IP address. Once you do so, you just need to go back to your domain list. Now here you just need to select the same domain and tap on manage. Once you are in, you just need to scroll down and make sure that it is selected to Namecheap Basic DNS. Once you do so, tap on Advanced DNS on the top right corner. Once you are in Advanced DNS, you just need to go for this action button in the host record, and then you need to tap on this add new record and go for the a record. Once you do so, add any host or name, and then you just need to paste that IP address and then select automatic or any of these particular time depending on your situation, and then tap on the tick icon to save changes. So that was the process of how you can create subdomain for your domain on Namecheap.